Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Design System Masterclass. So in this video, we will be discussing about how to create a responsive typography system inside Figma. So in the previous video, we have discussed how to create typography variables in Figma. So if you missed that video, I'll give the link of the video on the top or in the description. Please have a look at that before viewing this video. So coming to the responsive typography in Figma. So before knowing how to create a responsive typography inside Figma, so you need to know the variable mode. So to access the variable mode, you need to go to local variables and you will have a plus button here. So new variable mode. So you need to create that, and you need to name the variable mode something mobile small, something like that. So you need to name the variable mode. So the variable mode is available only for the professional users. So if you're a student, you can always apply to Figma for education. If you're a professional, you can buy it for $10 to $20 per month. And coming to the breakpoints. So before creating the variable system for the typography, so we need to decide on breakpoints. So for breakpoints, I've created a new variable group, and I've named it as breakpoints. So in the breakpoint, I've assigned web as 1280 pixels, tablet as 768 pixels, and mobile as 480 pixels. So it's a personal choice to assign to decide on these values, but these are the standard values in the industry. So coming to the typography changes, the main change will be the font size. The font weight remains same, the typeface will remain same, and if the breakpoint changes. So coming to the font size, so if you consider title, the web is 48 pixels, the tablet is 30 pixels, the mobile is 24 pixels. Again, it's completely personal. You need to experiment a lot to come to these values. So I've experimented a lot and came to all of these values. So you need to take the title and fit in within these breakpoints, and you need to take subtitle and fit in with these breakpoints and write the values like this. So I've experimented a lot and came up with these values. So coming to assigning a variable. So coming to assigning a variable mode to a frame. So let's take an example. So I've created a frame. So we need to assign the breakpoint variable, and we need to assign a variable mode to this. So coming to assigning a variable to this. So select on the frame, and if you go to width, you will get a dot kind of thing, apply variable, and you need to search for breakpoint, and you need to assign this. So we have created a breakpoint here, right? So in local variables, we have created a breakpoint. So you need to select the frame and assign the breakpoint to it. And coming to the variable mode, so you need to go to appearance, and there will be apply variable mode. So you need to apply it to web. So you will get primitives and web with a drop down. And if you want the tablet version of it, so you need to duplicate it and change it to tablet. So the font sizes automatically changes according to the variable mode you applied. So this will be tablet, and duplicate it and assign it to mobile, and the font sizes automatically changes according to the variable mode you have applied. And coming to the example, so I've created a small landing page wireframe. So there is no CTA because we are just in the initial stages of the design system. We haven't created the button atom. So I haven't added the CTA here. So it's simple to add a variable mode to a frame. So select these and apply variable, and you need to apply breakpoint. So after applying the desktop variable, so you need to duplicate it. Sorry, you need to apply the variable mode. So you need to apply it for web, and you need to duplicate it, and you need to change it to tablet. So the font sizes will automatically adjusted to the variable mode, and you need to duplicate it and change it to mobile, and the font sizes will automatically changes. So that is it for today. So it's a short video. So I hope you got some value out of it. So to follow along this series, hit that subscribe button, and see you in the next one.